Bonjour, welcome back. I have created a text on the topic of home for you so that you can practice and test your reading skills. For those who are new to this channel, welcome. You are watching French Action and my name is Jenny. But before diving into the reading, let me introduce you to some of the vocabulary you will encounter in the text, because understanding what you are reading is very important. Then I will allow you to read the text for yourself, and after that I will read it so that you can get the right pronunciation and the right intonation. Beware, to test your level of fluency, you need to read this text under, I would say, 2 minutes. 1 minute and 30 seconds would be ideal. If you're ready, let's go. Vous êtes prêts? Allons-y. Voici le vocabulaire comme promis. Nettoyer de fond en comble. To spring clean. Nettoyer de fond en comble. So you may have noticed that I made a liaison between the D of fond and the en sound. Fond en comble, because the D, just like quand, Q-U-A-N-D, which means when quand is followed by a vowel, you need to change the D sound to a T sound, and that's what we're going to do here as well. Nettoyer de fond en comble, to spring clean. Vider les tiroirs. Vider les tiroirs. If you know vide, which is an adjective meaning empty, vider les tiroirs, by adding an R, you have the verb to empty. And tiroir is drawers. Vider les tiroirs. Ramasse-poussière, masculine. Un ramasse-poussière. Un ramasse-poussière is really an object which is there sitting on your mantel piece, for example. And you need to clean it very often because of the dust which is going to settle on it. And this is ramasse-poussière. Ramasser means to pick up, and poussière is dust. So it's really picking up dust, and that makes it a dust collector. Soupirer, to sigh. Soupirer. Soupirer. De temps en temps. De temps en temps. From time to time. Now here we don't pronounce the final S of temps, which is time, but we have to make a liaison between the S of temps and the en. So we are going to say de temps en temps, and that liaison is going to be a Z sound. De temps en temps. And the final S of the second temps is silent. And the last word, se débarrasser. Se débarrasser, to get rid of. Se débarrasser. Lecture silencieuse. Silent reading. I'm going to let you discover the text so that you know what it's about. Please pay attention to the commas, the full stops, and the liaisons. Enjoy. Please listen to my reading and try to imitate. Voici le texte. Here's the text. You will notice some red on it. It's just to help you with the pronunciation of the liaison. Okay, so when you see an L and an an, it means you have to make a liaison. So you will need to read pour le nouvel an. Okay, so now I'm just giving you a few seconds so that you can read the text for yourself as promised. So, how was your reading? Was it good? Do you think you managed? Well, if you can't answer all these questions, what I would advise you to do is to record your reading and then listen to my reading and see if there's any discrepancies. And then, of course, you will work on it and do the reading over and over. And that's how you're going to improve. Remember, for those who are not new to my channel, you know what I always say. Practice, practice, and practice. That's the only thing which is going to make you improve. So if you enjoyed the video, please like it. And for those who haven't subscribed as yet, then you need to do that if you want to see more contents like this. Okay, so until next time, au revoir.